Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to automate tasks using our Microsoft Excel macro. So currently we have a data set in sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, up to sheet 6. So they are all the same thing. Can you see that? So data has the ID, the name, department, salary. The same thing all to sheet 6. So what we'll be doing here is that for this sheet 1, we want to delete column 6, column C, and column E, and also want to like apply a border and change the table header to blue. So we'll be doing this for the 6 sheets. So I'll be teaching you using the Microsoft macro to make it faster. So all you have to do is to what? Go to your view tab. Under our view tab, you see the macros group. Click on it. Click on record macro. Now, can you see the dialog box that just appeared? So it is asking you for macro name. You can just leave it as macro 2 or whatever you want. Then you come to this shortcut key. So you can put in Q or any letter you want. You can decide to put L or P. But as for me, I prefer letter Q. So don't forget Control Q. Then press OK. I will start like inputting, like start doing whatever I want the macros to record. So Control Q. Then click on OK. So the first thing we want to do is that what want to like highlight the old data. Come to our home tab. So we want to apply border to all borders. Can you see that? Then for the table header, I want to change it to blue. Can you see that? I want to delete column C. I want to delete column C and column D. Right? So nothing has changed yet, right? So let's come back to our sheet 1. I will come to our view tab, come to the macros, and click on stop recording, right? Nothing has changed yet, right? Now let me show you the magic. Let me show you the magic. So all you have to do is to what was our shortcut key? Control Q, right? So all you have to do is to select the remaining sheet at the same time. So you come to sheet 2. So you hold your control and shift key to select the whole sheet. That is from sheet 2 to sheet 6, right? So our shortcut key is what? Control Q. So press Control Q. Can you see? Can you see? That's automatically applied to the remaining sheet. Alright, thank you very much for watching my video.